In this video, I will show you how to restrict access to a WordPress site using htaccess file. And this method becomes quite handy if you're just working on a development site and you don't want the public to have access to it. So for that, log into your hosting account and then go to the control panel, like cPanel, and then go to the file manager, and then go to the root directory where your WordPress is installed. In my case, it's in public HTML. It's right here. And you should look for the htaccess file. In case you don't see the htaccess file right here, you might have to go to the settings and make sure this option is enabled, show hidden files. For example, let's say if I disable it and save, you'll notice that the htaccess file will be hidden. So let me just go back and enable it. Then before we'll make changes to the file, make sure to have a backup copy. So let's just right click and download. And now we're ready to make the changes. So let's open the file and then click edit. And now at the very top, just make some extra space and type the following rule. Order, deny, allow. And second line, type deny from all. Now third line, type allow from, and then the IP address. And to get the IP address, go to Google and type, what is my IP? And generally, it will show you right here. Just go ahead and copy the IP address and paste it right in here. And in case you want to add multiple IP addresses, you just simply can copy this line, paste it underneath, and then add the desired IP address right here. But in my case, I'll just keep only one. So now let's click Save Changes. And since this is my current IP address and it's an htaccess file, I would be able to access my WordPress site without any issues. But the moment I change my IP address, for example, let me just go to my VPN and then change the region to Toronto. Now let me just refresh the IP address. Let's see what it is right now. My current is 134. And my new IP address is the following. And since it's different than the one in the htaccess file, I will no longer be able to access my site. Let's see if I can refresh the page, and it shows 403 error. So this is generally what the public would see if they were to try to access it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.